bag presents. I don't know. I don't know what these are. I can't remember. Presents. It's not presents. It's mail. So let's see. Oh. Oh. I wonder if they sent me two. This is a monitor for the back of my trailers. So that, and it's wireless. I can hook the camera up on the back of the trailer so I can see what's going on behind me when I'm driving or trying to park or whatnot. All kinds of goodies in here. Obviously, I'll have somebody else install it. There's a little camera. Oh, it's smaller than I thought. Wow. I believe it has the night vision. I'm reading the box while I'm shoving this stuff back in here. And then I think this is the little, oh, it is little. The viewfinder, no, the screen. Maybe. Oh! That was neat. You just pushed a wink. How cool is that? Good. I'm wondering if they accidentally sent me two of them, because this looks like from the same place. Why would they send me two? Probably the same reason I got two couches or chairs for my RV. Alright, looking at that. Let's see what this one is. I have a sneaky suspicion it's the same thing. Because it's the same box, same address. I hope they didn't charge me for two of them. If it's two of them, I've got a rear view monitor for sale. Yeah, that's what it is. A whole nother one. So, I don't know why they sent me two. So I got two of these, I got two chairs, and then I got one more box here. And man, they didn't want anybody to get into that. It's taped up tight. Where's this from? I don't even have a clue. I know, my seam ripper was the closest thing I had to open these with, so I just grabbed it. While I'm doing this, I've got an appointment for the truck to get it all mechanically checked out. Tires, oil, all that kind of stuff on Monday. And then Tuesday I'm taking the trailer in to have the bearings and the wheels and all that stuff checked. And then hopefully Wednesday I'm out of here. Battery. Oh, this is the battery charger that I can plug into the cigarette lighter in the vehicle that charges the batteries for the two new cameras that I got. Because all it came with was the USB plugger inners. Okay, that'll work. So there's that. These are for the MUVI cams that I got. So that's good. I'm glad that finally came. Took it forever. You know the old excuse, well, it's because of the COVID, or the Rona. I'm so sick of hearing that for an excuse of why people don't send me what I order. Anyway, okay, so that's that. And I've got some new stuff out in the RV to show you. So let me head out there and I'll bring you right back. Hello. Well, been a few little hiccups in my plans to leave. First hiccup was, or is, I filled up the gray and black water tanks yesterday, just clean them out, check them out. Of course, the black tank has a leak. So, and it's right where the tank meets the pipe, right in that joint. So I'm hoping maybe a new, I don't know. Anyway, so that's a hold up. And then, while I was towards the back of the RV working, I just happened to glance up at the license plate. The tags expired this month. So I need to get back in the house as soon as I'm done out here and call the Department of Motor Vehicles and say, hey, I mailed you this stuff a month and a half ago. Where's my tags? So I don't know. I don't know if I can leave even though I don't have tags, even though these tags are expired. I don't know what the deal is. So I'll give them a call and see what they say. Yesterday, while I was working out in the shed cleaning up some stuff, I found some boxes of mine. And I found my little light. Can you see that? Let me turn the light on. It's so cute. I forgot I even had it. Isn't that adorable? So I thought, well, that'll look cute there. So I got that all set up. Got my pictures hung on the wall. Let's see. And then there's another one over on that side. Just some little cutesy things. Make it feel a little more like home. I don't know if I showed you the curtains or not. I know I'd planned on putting the gray ones up, but I did get them sewn, and I did get them put up there, but when I got them up there, I didn't like them. So I had those in my my motorhome. So I brought them out here, and I measured and went back in and cut and sewed, got them back up there, and I kind of like them. They're a little more, or a little less see-through than the gray ones. Just adds a little pop of color back there, which I kind of liked. Getting up and getting around, getting ready to go to Merced to have the truck looked at for my trip. You know, the oil change, transmission fluid checked, that whole list. And then tomorrow, I'm supposed to take this one in, this RV in, and have the wheels checked. I don't know how old these tires are. The dot code on them says 38B8. Well, when I look up online, every time I punch that number in, the dot 38B8, it came back with the code saying that the tires were made around February 2033. So if that's the case, my tires are good. But I don't think that's the case. Anyway, so taking it to Les Schwab today too to get all that checked out. Anyway, that's just a little update. So I'm going to head back in the house and get dressed and get ready to go. I'll talk to you later.